Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you what to do if the Windows 11 shutdown box keeps popping up randomly. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to restart your Windows 11 PC. As simple as it may sound, this fix can solve a lot of issues. So to do this, just press the Windows button, then select the power icon, and afterwards click on the restart option. Wait until the computer restarts, and then you can check if the problem still persists. Another useful solution is to update Windows 11. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and afterwards make sure to click on Windows Update on the left pane, and then on the right side click on the blue Check for Updates button. Now Windows will try to find the best possible updates for your PC and install them automatically. Later on, just restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. You can also uninstall any recent OS updates. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and afterwards make sure to click on Windows Update on the left pane, and then on the right side, under the More Options category, click on Update History. Now in here, just scroll way down until you find the Uninstall Updates section under Related Settings and click on it. Now all you have to do is locate and select the problematic update from the list, and then simply click on the Uninstall button to uninstall the update. Lastly, restart your computer and check if the issue still persists. Another useful solution is to run SFC scan and DISM tools. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type cmd and then run command prompt as an administrator. Now, in the command prompt window, make sure to type the following commands or copy-paste them from the description below, but press enter after each command. Note that the scans can take a bit of time, so don't lose patience. Afterwards, restart your computer and check if the issue still persists. Another great solution is to remove conflicting applications. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and then make sure to click on Apps on the left pane, and then on the right side click on Apps and Features. Now what you have to do is simply locate the conflicting app, then click on the ellipsis next to it and select the Uninstall option. Finally, what you have to do after uninstalling the application is restart the computer and check if the issue is solved. And lastly, another useful solution is to perform a system restore. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type rstrui and select it as a run command from the search results. In here, make sure to tick the box next to choose a different restore point, and afterwards click on the next button. Now the next step in here is to make sure to click on the earliest point in time before the problem occurred and then press again on next, and lastly just click on the finish button to start the restoration procedure. Now what you'll have to do is simply wait until the restoration procedure is finished, and then you can restart your computer to check if the issue is solved. And that's it, plenty of solutions to consider. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.